What's going on YouTube? It's Bean. Today I got a client here. I'm gonna be cutting them down to a wavelength, about a 1.5, doing a low ball taper, but I'll focus on bringing his C cups and everything forward in terms of the beard too, keeping everything as wide as possible. With clients like this who like waved up, he got a good hair texture, so you gotta make sure you trim his front down a little bit more than the rest of his hair because he wanna preserve his line. I'm gonna go in with dry shampoo just on the edges. And as you guys can see, just wanna really focus on the edges of the lineup, just to pull any oils or dirts, anything, just in case my client didn't get it all out of his hair. So a lot of people have been asking me about this. Oh, what's the magical white spray? It's not even magical, it's just dry shampoo. When I don't have my lather machine, which is what I prefer to use, when I don't have my lather machine, I resort to dry shampoo because at least I can still get the surface clean and pull all of the oils and dirt from the client's hair. So with that being said, now I wanna go in with a brush everything forward. It's gonna pull all of those dirts, all of those extra extremities out of my way. So what I would have did with a hot lather towel was just laid the hot lather down, let it cook with a hot towel, and it would have warmed up all of that stuff. And then when you have a towel and you slide the towel, that's the way for you to pull the oils and dirt. Well, for me, on the go, on the fly, to clean the hair, dry shampoo is definitely a good alternative. So if you guys do get a chance, because we creating my new course, Art of the Lineup, real soon, and I'll have all of the steps. Shampooing, lathering, dry shampooing, all of the perks. I won't go too in depth because that'll be a part of my actual course. So once you guys are able to sign up, we can deep dive a little bit more about that. Repeat some of the same steps as previous videos. I'm gonna go behind, use some alcohol just to double down on drying the hair out. So on the furthest hair, as you guys can see, and this is what I meant by skin prep. I got a white line already. If you have theory behind your techniques and they actually make sense, that's what a merit and a value is. Laying my client's ear down, I'm focusing on using the corner teeth of my blade and working myself around the corner. For me, I wanna work on my vertical bars. And now I got 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. The objective is to connect my third line to my first or connect my third line to my second. I'm gonna start on my left because I'm on the left side of the camera, so I want it to just be as efficient as possible. Turn them slightly this way. We're gonna work on connecting this. I wanna focus on creating a point. And as you guys can see, I'll start the point here. With me starting the point there, I'll create another point here. It's my second reference point. And because of that hole and spray and me cleaning the skin, you can see that ghosted white line, you can see that indentation there. Now let's curve them into each other. Now I want to focus on applying a little bit of my color, just to bring out some of the best features of this haircut. Focus my card here in the corner. And I'm just tapping and bursting in this area to bring that look all the way together, solidifying the look. That's all I'm doing. Simplicity in its purest form. And I just want to double down. And double downing for me is just my way of just like, I double down a lot of things in my process, as you guys seen me with the alcohol and the dry shampoo earlier. I double down on that process. I like to double down and just make me more efficient and make my product more cleaner. I feel like my client get the best out of me in terms of the value in the products that I'm using when I'm double down, and I'm creating longevity as well. I'm gonna stretch the skin, angle my braids at a 45-degree angle, and bring everything back to the widest area of the beard.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, definitely. That's it. All right, just a little bit more oil sheen and you good. Hit you with a little bit of alcohol too and then you straight.